Can you hold my...
Yes,
Yeah, thank
you
you.
may be holded.
Thank you. Yeah, okay.
Oh my goodness, yo.
Oh yeah.
I should have brought my one too.
Yeah, it would have been fun.
Far out. Professional?
I don't know how.
Yo, where's the body?
Broken.
Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my goodness. We got rollers. We got skates.
I love the skateboard, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.
What's up, bro?
Where's your sunbunk?
Huh?
Where's your sunbunk?
Not yet. Eventually.
Eventually. Voila. Cheese. Get on it. You gotta get on it.
Nah, no way. I can feel my knees breaking.
Yeah, Riley. Yep.
He only got that last week. That's so fucking nice.
Sick, new car.
Yeah, club spec.
Yes, it is fun.
You guys
My knees, I can feel them fucking breaking.
The only thing I just like is
You know what that sounds like?
Yeah.
What?
Content.
When Daniel
What?
went
Content.
to Leyland, dude, shit, he kept going, man. Dude, the tank. I love the colour. Run, drove off on the highway. Wow. Yeah.
Time to kill you. No.
I'm ready.
No.
Remember,
Oh
across
my.
the street for attention, down the street for results.
I just randomly heard this conversation.
Yeah, Gary, I was like, oh, funny number. And Gary's like, do you like sex? Thanks, Gary.
I see that you're wearing something rainbow. Maybe he's part of that gang. Maybe he's part of that gang, you know?
LGBTQ friendly.
Yeah. Oh, what you wearing?
Hey yo, what's your fit?
Kmart.
Yeah.
Hey yo, Kerr. Fit check.
Oh, okay. You got, your typical Air Force Ones, dirty. Your fake Batman's hoodie, Kmart, probably Target. Your typical 20-cent mask. I think the whole thing comes together under 100.
Hey guys, look at here. Don't you think he kind of look like Harry Potter, like a little bit?
Like a scuffed version of Harry Potter.
I mean, like a little, like
Cousin.
yeah, Harry Potter's
I'll give you that.
Sup, cunt?
Yeah.
I'm Harry Potter's bricky cousin.
Fit check.
Wait, what you wearing?
What you wearing?
首先我这个是 Champion 的联名的卫衣款式，然后在黄金海岸的那个 Champion 的店里面可以买得到。然后我里面的这一件呢是优衣库的，然后它也是超限量的。然后但是我这裤子，你看我这裤子，你看这个 logo， 你能想到什么呢？是不是像那种就是那种 underground 那种 rapper 的那种说唱的那种感觉？对。然后你再看我的鞋子，这鞋子是超帅的了。但我今天怎么说？这个就是大概跟之前 Supreme 跟 Nike 也有联名，像橙色跟白色，然后但是当时那款鞋子炒到了2000多，我这款鞋子只要150到180块钱我就可以买回来，是不是很划算呢？耶！
That was actually really good.
I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin', but I send a hit while I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a shred and I caught up. They call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers at once for a startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my guard up. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends.
You're actually doing very well. It hasn't banged together at all. Yeah. Wait, let me get the side. Yo. You actually know what the hell you're doing. Whoa. I'm scared. You got nunchucks.